I usually start by downloading all my user reviews, set up a GPT-4 client, and then feed in the user reviews so it knows kind of my customer language and what people like and dislike about the product. And that's usually a good starting point.
So most of the performance marketers I've met, they are extremely well versed in terms of numbers, analysis, tech questions, SKAd network, these things. But as soon as it comes to creative thinking, or in terms of having an idea, what could a hook look like and how could I merge this to a narrative arc and stuff, they completely drop out. How do you see the skill set developing, especially when we think of the help of ChatGPT and stuff and other AI tools? Do you think the skill set of a performance marketer needs to change, or should they specialize in either or how do you see that?
I would say, especially with AI, like learning and like applying all these more like copywriting and storytelling things is getting easier, and anyone would be able to do that. Spin up a GPT and like train it on. I usually start by downloading all my user reviews, set up a GPT-4 client, and then feed in the user reviews so it knows kind of my customer language and what people like and dislike about the product.
That's a good
usually
one.
a good starting point. And then it knows everything about copywriting and storytelling. You just need to like once kind of figure out, okay, like what do I want it to apply? So look into kind of what are good copywriters, what could be resources about storytelling you want it to learn. And that's, I think, a good starting point to then have kind of a sparring buddy to talk to about like at creative production, and feed it with like current hooks you're using, and then ask it what could be different ones, or like how can I improve this ad. So I think that part is definitely something that's getting easier with AI, and anyone can add that to kind of their skill set. Well, I think like all the knowledge and intricacies of like app marketing and like how conversion events work, how scan works, the whole technical mess on the background, that's something that like you need to like just learn over time, and you can't just ask AI and it will tell you. And I don't think we're there yet that Meta can just have like a fully automated campaign type that delivers results where you just click on set up Advantage Plus and then it goes and everything works. So it's good if you have the experience there, and then you can layer on anything copywriting and creative with AI, I think.